Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Hulu loading error. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is check if Hulu is down. Now in order to check it, you can check the Hulu server by simply going on the downdetector.com on the search bar and then searching for the Hulu app and checking the server. Now sign out of Hulu on all devices and then sign in again. The next thing that you can do is delete the Hulu app and re-download it from the app store and then log in again. Now check your internet download speed from the device you are using. It should be at least 6 Mbps for Hulu and 8 Mbps for Hulu Live TV. Check your device for other apps or programs that may be experiencing a similar issue. If you are finding that other apps are having trouble loading, it could be a poor connection and you'll have the best contacting your internet service provider. Disconnect your smartphone or Wi-Fi internet connection from the device you are using. Wait a couple of minutes and then reconnect it. Reset your Wi-Fi modem. You may also have success by clearing the cached data through your settings menu. Update the Hulu app as well. If you can also uninstall the Hulu app from your device and reinstall it. Checking on the status as well. One of the best ways to check if Hulu is down for everyone is to check the Twitter support page. Hulu runs an active support page on the social media platform. Visit the page and check the current status and any notices about when the app or service might go live again. So that's basically how to do it, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.